This is DJI's awesome new FPV drone, the AVATA. With built-in propeller guards for safety and paired with the goggles too and motion controller, you get a beginner-friendly and immersive flying experience. Then you can take things to the next level, and after some simulator practice, okay, in my case a lot of sim practice, you can use the FPV controller and fly in full manual mode.